You might have heard or read about how processed and sugary foods have an impact on your health. However, you might not know that sugar and unhealthy food can destroy your skin collagen and age you faster. Here are 6 foods to avoid if you want to keep your skin looking radiant, youthful, clear, and hydrated. Soft drinks. You want to keep your blood sugar balanced as much as possible in order to keep your skin looking healthy. When a medium-size Coke contains 56 grams of sugar, it can wreak havoc on your skin, causing everything from acne to visible signs of aging. Treat soda like a special treat rather than a mealtime staple. Instead, quench your thirst with water flavored with slices of your favorite fruit. Deli meats. Sandwich meats may be convenient, but the way they're processed may cause wrinkles. While the exact reason why processed meats cause damage isn't known, experts suspect that the chemicals within these meats may lead to inflammation. Inflammatory chemicals are like acid rain in your skin's collagen. There are similar connections between a diet heavy in processed meats, as opposed to fresh, lean meats, and greater risk for type 2 diabetes and cancer. Can't live without your lunchtime sandwich? No problem. Layer slices of lean meats such as grilled chicken breast between your bread. Nuts. Some of us are allergic to certain foods. Nut allergy, particularly peanut intolerance, is rather frequent disorder that causes inflammation in the digestive system and can lead to skin problems. Review your menu and try to identify possible triggers of your skin imperfection. Elimination of certain foods can help you improve hormonal balance and enhance skin appearance. Milk. Several studies have found that milk, regardless of the fat content, is associated with increased acne. One reason could be growth hormones that naturally occur in milk. 80 to 90% of milk is derived from pregnant cows, and the researchers are starting to find that the natural growth hormones are stimulating the acne process. In fact, all dairy products except yogurt have been shown to raise the risk for breakouts. So if you're acne prone, cut back on the milk products you eat. Experiment with total elimination of dairy products for about 3 weeks, then slowly reintroduce yogurt. Soy. Soy products contain phytoestrogens, which can connect with estrogen receptors in the human's body. That's why those who have increased hormonal sensitivity may notice acne occurrence after eating soy foods. Breakfast cereals. Sad, but true. Even such seemingly innocent cereals can be harmful for your skin. First, don't believe the word natural until you see what the cereal consists of. You may find out that some of the ingredients are in fact GMO ingredients, which can make your skin itchy, increase allergies, and cause acne. Second, because of the process called extrusion, breakfast cereals are actually toxic to our body. Third, popular cereals also often contain synthetic vitamins our body cannot physically utilize. If you can't give up eating a bowl of cereal for breakfast, choose one containing less than 5 grams of sugar per serving. Pay attention to your portion and use the portion control information on the packaging for guidance. Read the consistency, as the product usually contains more of the first 2 to 3 ingredients listed. Thank you so much for watching. Please make the comment below, don't forget to share this video and subscribe to our channel. Please click the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video.